Okay, Mr. Hendricks, I see you're in a little pain here. We'll give you a little something here, make you feel better. Yeah, looks about right. And there we go. How's that feel, Mr. Hendricks? Mr. Hendricks? Oh, nurse?
Yes, doctor.
Can you hold this, please? Okay, this is really no laughing matter. Some studies suggest that about 100,000 patients are going to die every year just from medication errors. That's on us. We have to do better. So in today's video, we're going to review how to calculate simple injectables, one-time shots. Now first, let's look at the container and see what kind of information we're provided to help with our calculations. Well, we have the name of the drug. That's helpful. We have the total amount of drug in the container, the total amount of fluid in the container, then we have the concentration, and that's the amount of drug per mLs in that container. I use a simple formula. I've used it my whole career, and here it is. Get out your crayons, you're going to want to write this down. Give divided by half times cc's in the vial equals cc's administered to the patient. Now let's chop that up. Give. What is give? We're talking about the total amount of drug we want to administer to that patient. How many milligrams of this or how many micrograms of this, but that's the total amount of drug we want to administer to the patient. That's give. Have is how much drug we have total in the container. The total amount of drug in that container is have. So how much we want to give divided by how much drug do we have times cc's in the vial. That's the total amount of fluid in that container. That will equal how many mLs you draw up to administer that dose of medication. So let's try it out. So here we have some fentanyl. Great drug, great for pain management. And if we look at the container, it says fentanyl. It says there's a total of 500 micrograms in the container. We have a total of 10 mLs within that container and a concentration of 50 micrograms per cc. Now, first we have to figure out how much drug we want to give the patient. Fentanyl is weight-based. Now we're going to say our patient weighs 86 kilograms and our dose is 1 microgram per kilogram. So we want to administer 86 micrograms. Great. So we take 86, divide that by 500, multiply that by 10, and we come up with 1.72 mLs. That's the amount of fluid we're going to draw out of the container to administer 1 mic per kilogram, or 86 micrograms of fentanyl. So remember, give the total amount of drug you want to give, divided by have the total amount of drug you have on hand, times the total amount of cc's in the vial, equal how many mLs you're going to draw up to administer that dose of medication to the patient. Play with this formula. Remember, if it's weight-based, you're going to have to calculate that first. I'm Mark. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.